Hello, I'm Will Morris, PwC's Global Tax Policy Leader. Welcome to Global Tax Talk. PwC's new video series will come to you twice a week with analysis on global tax developments and how countries around the world are processing, implementing, and changing policy that will affect how your organization goes forward. Every Friday, you'll get a one-minute roundup of key events in the coming week. So, we'll start today. First, look out next week for the meeting of the UN General Assembly. This is about upgrading the international tax capabilities of the UN, probably a new tax committee, and this could well actually rival the OECD, so well worth looking out for. Second, Pillar 2 continues to roll along. The latest example we'll see of this, and we expect to hear more next week, is proposals from the Irish Finance Ministry, amongst other things, on a participation exemption. And finally, we expect to see more feedback on the BEFIT proposal, which was released by the European Commission this week, different as it turns out from the CCCTB, less emphasis on formula apportionment. Thank you for joining Global Tax Talk, and stay tuned so you can be global tax ready.